Onyx was founded on sort of the idea of like building a coffee company and a roastery geared towards coffee professionals. We were baristas growing up, transitioned into roasters, and all our friends are in the coffee industry. Really our main feature is that we are coffee for coffee people.
We have this tagline at Onyx, which is never settle for good enough. And all over the coffee industry, people want to see excellence and want to be part of that in whatever way. And I'm just super grateful that I get to be part of it.
We are bringing in about 44,000 pounds. You know, when an order comes in, we're pulling the green coffee from inventory, setting up the profile, roasting it, sorting it through the color sorter to find any other defects. Then a small sample is taken, brought up here. We cup it for quality before, then it's bagged, and then it's shipped out. We are really proud about these protocols we have in place that ensure sort of the highest end coffee in the world at a pretty large scale.
You can come into a specialty shop and buy a really nice bag of coffee, but if you don't know how to execute it when you get home or wherever you're brewing it at, then it almost doesn't matter like how nice it is. I mean, one of the things that I like about the lineup of Breville machines is that you can be almost as hands-on as you want or hands-off as you want. Breville thinks about that in consumers, so you can not just have espresso at home, but have really great espresso. I'm just constantly impressed by him. He is never cutting corners, and he is always pushing what we're doing. I'm just so grateful that he is the type of leader that is like kindly asking people to get better.
We have the best staff in the world, and most of them have been with us since the beginning, like our whole core team, and that doesn't happen in coffee. Coffee is a pretty fast turnover, transient industry, and the people that we started this company with are still here, and they're here because of her. At the end of the day, there is a culture, an attitude, and just a kindness like that is a set expectation because of her leadership and what she shows every day. And that is not reproducible by anyone.